Wondering if Google Consent Mode is already active on your website, or if it's working correctly after installation? In this video, we'll walk you through 3 easy ways to check. Option 1. Scan your site with iubenda. The easiest and recommended option is using iubenda's site scan. Go to the iubenda scan page, enter your website URL and email address to start the scan. You'll receive an email confirming whether Google Consent Mode is active or needs attention. Option 2. Manual check using your browser. If you prefer to check manually, open your website in a private browser window. Open your developer console and type data layer. Look for the first consent event. All key parameters, including analytics, ad storage, and ad user data, should be set to denied. Now accept all cookies, or at least those related to Google services. Check the latest consent event in the data layer. If the consent parameters for analytics and ads have changed to granted, Google Consent Mode is up and running. Option 3. Check via Google Tag Assistant. You can also verify Google Consent Mode using Google Tag Assistant. Open Tag Assistant and enter your website's URL to connect. Once connected, click Continue. Then go to the summary and select the consent default event. In the API call section, check that the parameters are set to denied. Next, accept cookies on your banner. Return to the summary and click the latest consent update event. And confirm that the key consent values, especially analytics and ads, have updated to granted. That's it. You now know how to verify Google Consent Mode on your website.